いらっしゃいませ。Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Reiko. Few weeks ago, I did my special recipe curry. And lots of people asked me, where is Katsu? So, I'm gonna do extremely healthy Katsu specially for you. Katsu's original name is Tonkatsu. Ton means pork. Katsu is a shortened word from cutlet. Yes, Japanese love shortening words. For example, what do you think mazakon means? Huh? It's mother complex. And how about celebu? Celebrity. They sound so good, don't they? There are lots of restaurants in Japan specialized in one kind of food. For example, in katsu restaurant, they only serve katsu, so they can perfect their recipe. I know katsu is very popular in the West, but the problem about katsu is deep fried, means big calorie, right? So I've created the recipe you don't need to fry. But how? I'll show you how now. Ingredients are a piece of pork per person, toasted wholemeal bread, egg, plain flour. You also need a wired rack with a roasting tin and a freezer bag, also the rolling pin, and also the blender. First, start the pork. Now, when you buy a pork, you think, is it nice and soft, nice and tender? Now, if you're not sure, let's tenderize the meat, shall we? So, put the pork in the freezer bag, like this, okay, and then two like this together, yeah? And then you hit it with this. Now, the reason for this is like muscle, right? So you're breaking the muscle to make it really nice and soft. So let's do it this side as well. Now, pork is tender. Let's season it with pepper and salt. Both sides. Right, one side, and then the other side. And then let's reshape it, okay? Because we stretched it a bit, so, okay? And let's put it aside. Next, let's make a breadcrumb from the wholemeal bread. You've got to toast it first because this is the color your katsu is going to be. Break it in a blender. Yeah, it worked. This is your wholemeal breadcrumb. No. I have to do it again. Sorry. Right. In the pork, put it in the flour, plain flour, both sides, but make sure you dust it, okay? Not too much plain flours left. And then dip it in the egg, beaten egg. And make sure you get covered with egg both sides. And then put it in the breadcrumb you just made. Both sides. Okay, you want a bit, plenty of breadcrumb here. Then put it on a wire rack. And finally, all you need to do is put these in the oven 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Now it's ready. Oh, look at this. Oh, that looks good. Right, let's slice it now. Like this, about 1 centimeter. So easy to pick, easy to put it in your mouth. And they lay it on a very simple salad. In Japan, people eat it with a very thinly sliced cabbage. But I just put it in a very simple salad today. In Japan, people eat tonkatsu with tonkatsu sauce like this. You can get it from the Japanese supermarket. Otherwise, go online. The link is below. Or you can eat with a brown sauce like this, equally good. Now, いただきます。It's so good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This katsu will go with my curry. So if you want to make a katsu curry, please check it up my curry recipe as well. And don't forget to subscribe.